sqLoop, basic structure of repetition. This is the basic structure of pseudocode where you should know exactly where the area of before loop, inside loop, and after the loop. Okay, this is the basic structure of flowchart. You also must know where is the place on before loop, inside, and after the loop. This is a basic structure of program segment using while. Part A, Part B, and Part C. This one is a program segment using for. The difference between using for and using while is, okay, you can see that for if you're using for loop, initial condition and update value will be grouped together there. Okay, this is the place before, inside, and after loop. And then you must know repetition on table 1, counter control input from user or sentinel control, where this one is the part where you should write it on part A, and this is where you should write it on part B, before loop, and this is inside the loop. This is the condition. And on repetition table 2, right, you must identify either you need an accumulator, the maximum or minimum. If you need an accumulator, this is the group of accumulator where you should put it here, before loop, this one inside loop, and this one after the loop exit. Okay, same goes to maximum and minimum. Okay, now we go to how to use sqLoop. First, you should identify either you need to prepare pseudocode, flowchart, or a program. Then prepare a basic structure of pseudocode, flowchart, or program. And of course, if you need to write a complete or program segment, you should choose either using while or using for. And then second step is to refer to table 1. Identify type of repetition, either control structure or control structure N, where you should get N from user, or the sentinel control, and you just follow the color code. Step 3, identify the input, process, and output needed on your problem. Then table 4, refer again to table 2, identify either you need an accumulator or the maximum or the minimum, and then follow the color code.